Hiding in the shadows, just around the next curve in the road, is the empty space I thought was floating face down in a ditch with my morality and sense of direction. A roadster won't go fast enough to keep it from trying to hop in the passenger seat at 80 miles per hour, or following like a shadow when I eat, drink, and prowl just close enough to be noticed. The percentage of nothing I now live in, where all your dreams come true, is only a little bit to the left of where memories are alive of a beautiful lie wearing a filthy dress. Click your ruby slippers and say, "There's no place like home, Dorothy." But when you open your eyes, don't be surprised if Auntie Em already wrote you off and rented out your room. Just like the remnants of a trip are washed away in the shower when the suds pull even the feel of the seat down the drain. Any lasting trace of my presence has long since gurgled away. A bit like a roadster, which is but an enjoyable diversion that will serve its use and end up on a junk heap next to Volkswagens and other abandoned toss-offs that are no longer wanted.